Here are some reasons why you should use moringa oil on your hair. Moringa is nature's best ingredient due to its high amount of vitamin C, D, E, A, magnesium, amino acids, etc., making it an amazing natural oil. If you have yet to try using moringa oil for your skincare and hair care routine, here are a few moringa oil benefits for your hair. 1. Helps regrow hair. Vitamin A and zinc are essential nutrients in our hair needs for hair growth, which moringa is known to be abundant with these needed nutrients, especially zinc. Zinc plays a crucial role in the growth of our hair as it helps speed up the recovery process of damaged hair follicles, and healthy levels of zinc maintain our oil glands in the scalp well nourished. Moringa won't just help with hair regrowth, but it will also enable hair cells to grow stronger and healthier because of the vitamins B6, vitamin A, folic acid, and biotin compound. 2. Prevents dryness and dandruff. Moringa oil's primary function is to moisturize and nourish the scalp from within, leading to stronger hair. As it soothes your scalp, it can help dryness, dandruff, and other hair problems at bay. It can also help heal minor irritations due to its high nutrients, fatty acids, and anti-inflammatory content. 3. Protects hair from damage. More than its emollient property, this miracle herb can also protect your hair from chemicals and heat-induced damages. Moringa is rich in vitamin A, which is the key to making our hair cells stronger, and vitamin E, a popular nutrient that assists in the repairing process of the damaged hair. 4. Makes hair shiny and luscious. You can achieve that smooth, shiny, plump, and bouncy hair you've been dreaming of with moringa. This is because of its rich behenic acid content, a well-known ingredient found in conditioners. It also contains phytonutrients, key in making your hair smoother, shinier, full of volume, and more luscious looking. Bring back the beauty of your crowning glory without breaking the bank by using one of nature's miracle plants. This moringa oil can be used for multiple purposes: hair, skin, scalp, and nails. A drop of this oil provides enough nourishment. Follow us for more content about health, beauty, and motherhood.